Now it's been a six. Now I set it from 60.
Ulam namin, oh.
Now me eating part 2.
Alin sa Romblon.
Oo. Nasa papaya halin sa rumblon.
So, vlog. So, my guys, I'm vlogging right now, bro.
Kahit ta.
Ako nagkakamakot lang kung foreigner dyan.
Ha?
Wait lang. Tapat mo sa akin.
Wala ko rin eh.
I'm vlogging. Tita, I'm vlogging now. Guys, look at my tita.
Vlogger daw siya.
I'm vlogging. So guys, I'm eating. Got fish. Got mango.
Ayan,
Again, I got mango.
naubos mo yung rice. Ang dami naman.
Okay. Goodbye, guys. See you tomorrow.